So let's dive into dropshipping. It's really become one of the most accessible ways to start an online business, right?
Yeah, I've heard it's pretty popular. But what exactly makes it so appealing?
Well, for starters, dropshipping allows you to sell products without having to manage inventory or handle shipping. Imagine running a store without the hassle of stocking shelves or worrying about shipping logistics. It's like having a virtual storefront where you focus on marketing and customer service while suppliers handle the rest.
Oh, that sounds like a dream come true for someone just starting out. But how does it actually work?
Great question. When a customer places an order on your online store, you simply forward that order to a supplier. The supplier then ships the product directly to the customer. This means you never have to touch the product. It's a seamless process that allows you to focus on growing your business.
Wow, that's pretty efficient. So I guess the low startup costs are a big draw too?
Absolutely. You don't need to invest heavily in inventory up front. This makes it an attractive option for new entrepreneurs who want to test the waters without a huge financial commitment. Plus, with the global dropshipping market forecasted to grow significantly, there's a lot of potential for success.
That's exciting, but is there a catch? Like, what are the challenges?
Well, like any business model, dropshipping has its challenges. Profit margins can be lower because you're selling one item at a time instead of buying in bulk. Plus, you're relying heavily on suppliers for product quality and shipping times, which can sometimes lead to issues.
Makes sense. So it's about finding the right balance and reliable partners. Do you think it's still worth starting a dropshipping business in, say, 2025?
Definitely. The market is evolving, and with the right strategies, dropshipping can be a lucrative venture. It's all about staying informed, choosing the right products, and continuously optimizing your business.
Got it. I'm really intrigued by the potential here. Thanks for breaking it down.
All right, let's get into the nitty-gritty of how dropshipping actually works. It's a fascinating process when you break it down.
Yes, please. I'm eager to understand the roles everyone plays in this setup.
Okay, so at the heart of dropshipping, you have three main players: the retailer, the supplier, and the customer. As a retailer, your job is to market and sell the products. You create an online storefront, usually using platforms like WooCommerce or Shopify, which are incredibly user-friendly and powerful for e-commerce.
I've heard of Shopify. It's like the go-to for many online stores, right?
Exactly. Shopify is popular because it offers a comprehensive suite of tools to build and manage your store with ease. WooCommerce, on the other hand, is a plugin for WordPress, which gives you a lot of flexibility if you're already familiar with that platform.
Got it. So once the store is set up, what happens next?
Once your store is live, you list products that you want to sell. But here's the beauty of dropshipping. You don't actually hold any of these products in inventory. Instead, when a customer places an order, you forward that order to your supplier.
And the supplier handles the rest, right? Like shipping and all?
Exactly. The supplier packages and ships the product directly to the customer. This means you can offer a wide range of products without ever having to worry about storage or shipping logistics.
That's pretty amazing. It sounds like you can scale your business quite easily since you're not tied down by inventory.
That's one of the biggest advantages. You can test different products and niches without the risk of unsold inventory. Plus, it allows you to pivot quickly if you notice certain products are trending or if customer preferences shift.
I see. But how do you ensure the quality of the products if you're not handling them directly?
Great question. This is where choosing reliable suppliers becomes crucial. Many dropshippers start with platforms like AliExpress, but it's important to vet suppliers based on reviews, shipping times, and product quality. Building a good relationship with your suppliers can help mitigate risks.
Makes sense. So it's about finding the right partners and leveraging the technology available.
Exactly. With the right setup and partners, dropshipping can be a highly efficient and profitable business model. Now that we've covered how dropshipping works, let's talk about the pros and cons. It's important to weigh both sides before diving in.
Absolutely. I'm all ears. What are the main benefits that make dropshipping so appealing?
First off, the lower capital investment is a huge draw. You don't need to buy inventory up front, which means you can start your business with minimal financial risk. This is especially beneficial for new entrepreneurs who want to test different markets without a big commitment.
Yeah, that sounds like a great way to dip your toes into e-commerce without going all in.
Exactly. Then there's the flexibility. You can run your business from anywhere with an internet connection. Plus, you have the ability to offer a wide range of products without worrying about storage space.
That kind of freedom is really appealing. But what about scalability? How does that factor in?
Scalability is another big advantage. Since you're not tied down by inventory, you can easily scale up your operations. If a product is doing well, you can quickly capitalize on that without the typical constraints of traditional retail.
Sounds like a dream, but I'm guessing there are some downsides too?
Of course, no business model is perfect. One of the main challenges is the low profit margins. Since you're selling products individually and not buying in bulk, your margins can be quite thin.
That could definitely be a concern. And I imagine there's a lot of competition too?
Yes, the barrier to entry is low, which means there's a lot of competition. Many stores might be selling the same products, so standing out becomes crucial.
And what about the reliance on suppliers? That seems like it could be a double-edged sword.
You're right. Relying on suppliers means you have less control over product quality and shipping times. If a supplier fails to deliver, it reflects on your business.
So how do you mitigate these challenges?
Choosing reliable suppliers is key. Look for those with good reviews and track records. Also, focus on customer service and marketing. Providing excellent service can set you apart from competitors, and effective marketing can help you reach the right audience.
That makes a lot of sense. It's all about building a strong foundation and maintaining good relationships.
Exactly. With the right strategies, you can navigate the challenges and make dropshipping a successful venture.